In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have smooth, professional-looking moving text for things like tickers, announcements, or credits, all using built-in tools, no extra plugins required. First, open OBS Studio, give it a moment to load your current scene. If you're starting fresh, make sure you're on the scene where you want the moving text to appear so you can see your changes instantly in the preview. Next, add your text. In the sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon and choose text, GDI+. Give the source a clear name so you can find it later, then type the text you want to animate. This is a good time to set the font size and color to match your brand or stream theme. Click OK to place it in your scene. You'll see a red bounding box around the text in the preview. Drag it to position it where you want it to travel. The edges will snap to help you line things up. If you need to resize, drag the corners. If you overdo it, you can always reset or fine-tune later. Now, let's make it move. In the sources list, right-click your text source and choose filters. This opens a panel where you can add visual effects without permanently changing your text. Under Effect Filters, click the plus icon and select Scroll. You'll see options appear for movement. To control the direction, adjust the horizontal speed for side-to-side motion or the vertical speed for up and down motion. Increase the value to go faster, decrease it to slow things down. Leave one of them at 0 if you want the text to move only in a single direction. If both have values, the text will travel diagonally. Watch the preview as you tweak the sliders so you can judge readability and pacing. A slower speed usually looks cleaner, especially for longer messages. For continuous motion, check the box labeled Loop. This makes the text wrap around seamlessly instead of stopping once it leaves the screen. Without Loop, it will scroll off and disappear until you reset it. Looping is perfect for news tickers or repeating announcements. When the movement looks right, close the filters window. Your text will keep scrolling in the scene. If you want to refine placement, you can still click and drag the text in the preview while it's moving, or reopen filters anytime to adjust the speed. That's it. Open OBS, add a text, GDI plus source, apply the scroll filter, set horizontal or vertical speed, and enable loop for a continuous effect. Save your scene and you're ready to go live with polished animated text.